Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, September the 26th, 2020. We have here binary puzzle number one. Yes, and this one will be number 1628. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. And double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1, between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O, double one, here an O, there an O. Double one, here an O, there an O. Then between two O's comes an 1, between two ones comes an O. Then. Let me see. How about 4 O's we have here in this row, so the rest are ones. We have 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. I think I need to compare. Yeah, let me compare. Which can I compare? 1, 1, 1. With only one row. Alright. Almost the same. This one is almost the same. Troubles. 101. Oh, yes, this row and that row. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Empty box. I need to switch those two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, an O there, an O. Double O here, and 1 there, and 1. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. And then 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Double O here, and 1 there, 1. Then 1 2 double O here, 1 there, 1. Do I need to compare again? I think so. We have a double one here. No. Oh, 10. Oh. Yes, the first column and the third column. 1 1 empty box. Oh oh 1 1 oh oh 1 1 oh oh. We need to switch those two numbers. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes a 1. We have 4 1s now, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 2. So see you later. Bye bye for now.